chef's restaurant, and he serves burgers and fries and things. It looks like a nice little place. Near Colossal. What town is this?
Huh?
What town is this?
Palooza.
What?
Palooza.
Well, thank you. Well, we got our food here, and the water looks pretty plain, but you know, we'll see what's happening. Is that mine? I got a double chili cheeseburger, and it looks appetizing. And I think I have onion rings here. And yeah. And they look like they're real onion rings, which I like. I don't like fake onion rings. I like. Delicious. They're real onion rings. And got a double burger. Well, it was pretty good. The onion rings are real onion rings. I like that from that, and the chili was quite delicious. And a double chili cheeseburger hit the spot today. I enjoyed this very much, and Mary's enjoying her meal, and she had got a keto burger, and she enjoyed it. All right, so that's it for this month.